Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 7 from paper January 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. Figure 3 shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation y equals to f of x, where f of x is x plus 4 into x minus 3 into 2x minus 9. So we have a cubic function here, and this is a cubic graph. All right. Given that the curve with the equation of y equals to f of x minus p passes through the point with the coordinate 0, 50. Find the value of p. So what we can do, we can use this coordinate here in the function to get to know what is p. Okay, so let's first find out the equation for f of x. So let's copy down a question here. Okay, so let's copy down a question. F of x equals to x plus 4 into x minus 2 into 2x minus 9. Okay, time to multiply brackets together. So x multiplied by x is x squared minus 2x multiplied with negative 2. Then 4 times x is plus 4x, and 4 times minus 2 is negative 8. And this is 2x minus 9. Okay, so x squared plus, collect like terms, so minus 2 plus 4 is plus positive 2x minus 8 into 2x minus 9. Okay, now it's time to multiply with the third bracket. So 2x multiplied by x squared is 2x cubed, and then 2x times by 2x is 4x squared, and then 2x times minus 8 is negative 16x. Then minus 9 times x squared is negative 9x squared. Then negative 9 times 2x is negative 18x, and negative 9 times negative 8 is plus 72. This is f of x. Collect like terms. So 2x cubed as it is, so 4x squared and minus 9x squared, I'll get here minus 5x squared. Minus 16, negative 18 is negative 34x plus 72. Alright, the question says that y equals to f of x minus p. F of x we just got above, copy it down, minus 34x plus 72 minus p. And this curve passes through the point. Let's read the question. So this curve with the equation y equals to f of x minus p passes through the point with coordinates 0 and 50. So as we know that f of x minus p passes through the point 0 and 50, where x is 0 and y is 50. So I can replace y with 50 and x with 0. So this is 0, and all x will be 0. All terms that has x will be 0, plus 72 minus p. Okay, so 50 equals to 72 minus p is left over. So p equals to 72 minus 50. And I can find here p, that is 22. So p is 22 here. This was the A part, and let's move on to next. Given that the curve with the equation y equals to f of x plus q passes through the origin, okay, so it means that the coordinate is 0, 0. Write down the possible values of the constant. Okay, now this is the function here is x plus q. All right, so we know that y equals to f of x, and that is equals to x plus 4 and x minus 2 and 2x minus 9. Okay, but they said the function basically is not x, it is x plus q. Okay, so wherever you see x, we just need to replace x with x plus q, sorry. So I just need to replace x plus q here. All right, and then here and here as well. So this will be x plus q, and let me erase it because I need a space to write down. So this will be 2 into x plus q and minus 9. All right, so x plus q plus 4 and x plus q minus 2 and 2x plus 2q minus 9. Okay, then because we know that this function is passes through the origin, that is 0 0, so it means y is 0 and x is 0 as well. Okay, I just replace x with 0 and y with 0. So what is left over? We have x plus q plus 4, q minus 2 and 2q minus 9, that is equals to 0. It means each factor either q plus 4 equals to 0 or q minus 2 equals to 0 or 2q minus 9 equals to 0. From here I can get the value of q. Then q is negative 4, q is 2 and q is 9 over 2. That is 4.5. Okay, so these are the values of q. This is what I have been asked. Write down the possible values of the constant q, and that is done for 2 marks. Okay, in C part it says that find f dash of x. So in the C part it says find f dash of x. So first I need to copy what is f of x. Okay, so first let's write down what is f of x. We know that f of x, I just multiplied above, no need to multiply again and again. So f of x is, let me highlight it. So this is f of x. Okay, and the function I have here is curve with the equation f of x minus p. Okay, so I will take this function f of x minus p, and let's look at what is f of x minus p. P is 22. Okay, let's rewrite this function down below. So f of x is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 34x plus 72, and minus p because the function is f of x minus p. So p that and p is 22. Okay, we already got it here, so I just need to replace down. Okay, so f of x is let me rewrite here. So y equals to f of x minus p, and f of x is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 34x plus 72. Minus p we got is 22. Okay, so 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 34x, 72 minus 22 is 50. Okay, it's time to differentiate it. It's time to take its derivative. So derivative is dy by dx, and that is 6x squared. We multiply coefficient with the power and subtract 1 from the power. So 5 times 2 is 10x minus 34x. Derivative of 34x is negative 34. And plus 50, and derivative of 50 is 0 because it's a constant. Alright, so this is the derivative of a function f of x. So we can write down as f dash of x equals to 6x squared minus 10x minus 34. Okay, what's next? Next is the D part. In the D part, it says that hence find the range of values of x for which the gradient of the curve with the equation y equals to f of x is less than negative 18. So the gradient is less than negative 18. What is gradient? The derivative is the gradient. So this is the gradient, okay? And this is less than 18. Negative 18, sorry. Okay. So let's first find the critical values, bring the negative 18 to the other side, and we have less than 0. Then 6x squared minus 10x as it is minus 34 plus 18 is negative 13 plus 18 is negative 16. Okay, I can factorize it here, or I can take 6, not 6, I can take 2 common just to simplify it. Otherwise you can factorize it directly. This is x minus 5x and negative 8 is less than 0, 2 and 3x squared minus 5x minus 8 is less than 0. Factorize it, negative 8, so product here is minus 24 and sum is negative 5. So I need to think of two numbers. When I multiply them, I'll get negative 24, and when I add them, I'll get here negative 5. So that could be, I can split minus 5x as minus 8x and plus 3x. Yeah, so when I times it, I'll get here negative 24, and when I add them up, I'll get here, I got here negative 5x. Okay, so let's find the critical values here. Okay, let's find the critical values for x. Put it equals to 0. So take x common from the first two terms. So 3x minus 8. Take 1 common from the last two terms. So 3x minus 8 is common in both. So take it out, and inside I have left over x plus 1. So either 3x minus 8 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 8 over 3 and x equals to minus 1. So because this is a quadratic equation and it's a parabola, so I negative 1 here and 8 over 3, let's say it is 2 point something. So let's say it is somewhere here. Okay. So if I roughly sketch a parabola and I wanted to get to know what is the range for values of x when it is less than 0. Okay, less than means below x-axis. So if it is less than 0, so the range for the values of x lies here. So this in this part. All right. So let's rewrite the range for the values of x. So x lies between 8 over 3. X is less than 8 over 3 and greater than negative 1. Okay, this was question number 7 from paper January 2022. Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident tackling similar problems. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Math channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Thank you for watching.